Hi all, this is second worksheet from Lines and Angles, Chapter 2, Grade 6, Ganit Prakash textbook. Here I am discussing only the questions. You have to find out the answers. First one, these are all MCQ questions. A straight angle measure, we know that it is 180 degree. The common endpoint of two rays forming an angle is called vertex. Two lines that do not meet even when extended infinitely in both directions are called parallel lines. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. If two lines intersect each other, then the number of point of intersection it is 1. Next question, the angle formed on the same side of the straight line are complementary angles. Angles whose sum is 90 degree is called complementary angles. If two angles are equal and the sum is 180 degree, then each angle is 90 degree. Measure of a right angle, it is 90 degree. When two lines intersect, the opposite angles formed are vertically opposite angles. Next is 2-mark question. How many lines can pass through a given point? Infinite number of lines can pass through a given point. If this is a point, lot of lines can pass through this, infinitely many lines. How many lines can pass through two distinct points? These are two distinct points. Only one line can pass to two distinct points. Explain why an angle cannot be labeled with a single letter when multiple angles share a common vertex. Then write the fraction of clockwise revolution. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does a hover hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9? Find out these answers. Then next one, 14 onwards. Next question is long answer type 3-mark question. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. Point A on the line segment PQ. This is a line segment PQ. A point A. Line AB and XY intersect at O. This is a line AB and this is a line XY. These two intersect at the point O. The line PQ and PR. Line PQ and line PR meet at P. Estimate the size of each angle and measure it with a protractor. You have to use protractor. Then you have to draw angle using protractor. Start at 6, make a half revolution clockwise. So this comes at 6, then half revolution clockwise it is comes at 12. This is clockwise revolution. Starts at 3 and half a revolution anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise this direction. So it will be at 9. Next one, start at 6 and make a 1/4 of the revolution anti-clockwise. So this comes at 3. Write all pairs of intersecting lines. All pairs of parallel lines. Parallel line it is L, M, N. These are parallel line. Intersecting lines P, R, then Q, L, Lines whose point of intersection is G, then J. Lines whose point of intersection is A, that is line L, line P. This is a case study question. What is the measure of angle directly opposite to 60 degree? This is also 60 degree because vertically opposite angles are equal. One angle is 60 degree, then the measure of adjacent angle will be, if you add, you have to get 180 degree. So total angle sum will be 180 degree. This angle is 120 degree. So second answer is 120 degree. Teacher mentioned that angle that add up to 180 degree as supplementary angle. If one angle is 60 degree, other will be 120. Then only you will get 180 degree. Supplementary angle of 40, that is 180 minus 40. That will be 140. Next is for question. Total angles around the center of a wheel. Total angle around the center of a wheel, it is 360 degree. Measure of each angle formed by two consecutive spokes. There are 6 spokes, so it is 360 divided by 6, 60 degree. If there are 8 spokes, you have to divide 360 divided by 8. So, if you want remaining worksheet, subscribe my channel, then you will get remaining chapters PDF also. 360 divided by 8, it is 45 degree. Thank you.